test drive the 2019 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather upholstery, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition,